What if I told you the person you are about to watch sell a product on camera doesn't exist? Not a stock photo, not a hired actor, not a filter, a completely AI generated person that I built in about 10 minutes who now talks, sells, and shows up on camera for my digital product every single day. Let's check it out.
Between laundry, cooking, and running after my kids, I don't have time to be some big social media influencer. But I still found a way to make some side income from my phone. Facebook actually pays regular people just for posting. You don't need to be on camera, and you don't need to know anything technical. You just apply for their monetization program and post like normal. The part I didn't know was how to actually get approved fast. So my team put together a simple guide showing you how to do it just by posting AI images. If you're a busy mom like me and want in, comment IMG and I'll send it your way.
By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how I did it, step by step, live on screen. I'll also show you how I found a look for my avatar, how I generated her images, how I got her talking with a real script, and how I turned that into a finished video ready to post. And this doesn't just work for digital products. It works just as well if you are selling a physical product. So stick around because I'm also giving you the exact prompt I use to generate these avatars and free access to the tool, both linked down in the description. Here's why this actually matters. Most people avoid making content because they don't want to be on camera. Maybe you don't like how you look on video. Maybe you don't have time to film every day. Maybe you just don't want your face attached to your business. All of that used to be a real problem. It's not anymore because now an AI avatar can do it for you. And honestly, most people watching won't even know the difference. So step one, go create your free account on UGCVideo.ai. I'm putting the free access link right in the description down below. So just click that, sign up, and you'll land on your dashboard. You can find a lot of pre-built AI avatar you can use right away. But in this video, I want to show you how to build any AI avatar completely from scratch so you know the full process. Step two, before you build your avatar, you need a look to base it on. So here's how you do it. You go on TikTok or Instagram and search a keyword related to your product. Then you're going to scroll through until you find a UGC style creator whose look and vibe fits your brand. Once you find one, simply take a screenshot of a UGC creator you like. And that screenshot becomes your visual reference for the next step. Step three, and this is a part I promise you, I'm giving you the exact prompt I personally use to turn that reference screenshot into 3 unique AI avatar images. It's linked in the description, so you don't have to write it yourself. You simply open up your ChatGPT, put in the screenshot reference that we just took from UGC Creator. Then together, use the prompt I'm giving you in the video description, then run it. Then ChatGPT will give you 3 images from different angles. We're going to download all these 3 images into your hard drive, or you can save them into your Google Drive folder like what I'm doing. Step 4, back in your UGCVideo.ai dashboard, we're going to start from an image to create our UGC character. So you're going to select this one. We're going to build out your UGC character. You're going to select start from an image. Click on it. Then from here, remember, we just created 3 images. So you're going to upload those 3 images into this section. Then give it a name of your AI avatar. Then you hit generate. Let me show you my AI avatar because I generated a couple AI avatars today, like this one. The software will create a unique look AI avatar for you. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully built AI avatar ready to talk. Now we move to step number 5. Step 5 is where your avatar actually comes to life. First, find a speaking style video on TikTok. Go back to TikTok, go through a couple videos that's related to your product. We're going to grab the script from other people's video. So find the video you like. Then how do we pull the transcript from any video? You're going to go to Google. Then simply search TikTok transcript. The one I like to use is this one, but you can use any one you like. Because this one, you don't even need to sign up to get an account. So click on it. Then from here, we're going to use this one. but we need to have a video link first. So we're gonna go back to TikTok. Let's say we pick this video. Then from here, we're gonna grab the video link, copy link, then go back to this website, paste that video link in here, then hit try transcription. Now we have a script from that original video. Of course, we are not gonna copy anybody else. So what I will do is I will hit this copy button, then I go to ChatGPT or Cloud to rewrite the script in order to sell my own product. Once your script is ready, we're gonna go back to the software. Then this time, we're gonna select all tools. Inside all tools, we're gonna select talking video first. So we're gonna create a full talking video. Then we're gonna generate some B-roll video shots. So I will show you how to do this. So the first step, you're gonna select your own influencer. I'm gonna select this one, CC. Then here, you're gonna put in the script that you just generated. Then for the speaking voice, you can either create your own voice or you can select from the database. So simply click add voice. Then from here, you're gonna select depending on how you want your avatar to speak. I'm gonna select English. Then I'm gonna select female. I'm gonna select young, style, depending on what style you like. Just simply select the one you like. Then go through all this section. You can listen to each voice, how that sounds. Find the one you like. Let's say I like this one, so I'm gonna select this one. Then here, this is totally optional. If you want to describe the gesture, how your AI avatar should move around when she speaks, you can add in your instruction here. Once you fit in the script, once you select your voice, then next step is just simply hit the generate button right here. So let me show you the finished work. Here is the speaking video we just generated. We're gonna download it. Now we have talking video ready. Step 6, to generate some B-roll footages. So the way you do it is very simple. Go back to your software, but this time, to generate B-roll non-speaking video, we're gonna select UGC video. Then from here, again, choose your character. We're gonna use CC again. We already have avatar here. Pay attention to this one. If you want to have your UGC avatar holding your product, then from here, you're gonna upload your product markup or your product photo. So simply select upload because I'm selling a digital product. So I use this iPad image as my product. Then hit save. Then from here, just give it some instruction. And from here, scroll down, double check the output and also the duration. I select the duration because I don't need it to be too long. So instead of 8 seconds, I can cut it down to 5 seconds or 6 seconds. That will save you some credits. You just simply generate it. Then once it is generated, like this one, then you can download it. So I usually do one speaking video, then 2 B-roll footages. So I download all 3 videos once I generate those. Then we move to the final step. Bring it all together in CapCut. You can visit CapCut.com, then download the software to your desktop. It's completely free. Once you finish your editing, you can add the captions. You can add music, add your call to action at the end, then export that video. Boom! You have UGC AI avatar content ready for you to post on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook to sell your product for you. How amazing is that? That's a complete faceless AI-powered UGC video from idea to finished post. So let's recap quick. Find inspiration. Generate your AI avatar images with my prompt. I put it down below. You're going to build your avatar inside UGCVideo.ai software. Again, you can click down below to get your free account to test it out. Number 4, write a script by modeling other people's proven script. You're going to use that script and your AI avatar to generate your talking video. Step 6, create maybe 1 or 2 B-roll footages showing AI avatar is using or holding your product. Step 7, final step, you're going to edit all these clips together in CapCut, free editing software. Then boom, you've got content that sells without ever turning your own camera on. Now, I know watching me do this on screen is one thing, but actually building your own avatar is where this gets fun. So I put everything you need down in the video description down below. Just click the link and follow the steps I just showed you, and you'll have your own AI avatar up and running today. If this video helped you, stick around, follow my channel, because there is a lot more you can do With this, once your avatar is built, I'll see you in my next training video.